So I'm waiting for the sheep to come from pasture. It's the afternoon, and they are in pasture. They've been in pasture all morning. I want to take a look at them because I want to actually give them a spray clean, and they should be coming soon. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. I work to be self-sufficient, grow my own food, and live off the land. And my sheep help me do that. And yeah, I see them. So lately, they've been having some irritation in their skin. We deworm them monthly, but because they're in pasture all the time, they're more prone to getting some type of whether parasite or some type of things on their skin. So I decided I make sure that we spray them, clean them. I want to do it weekly or every 10 days, but that doesn't happen here on the farm. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. So, but they're in pasture all morning, and from 7 to 4, they're in pasture. So we're gonna see when they get back from pasture how they look, and then spray them clean. So hey guys. Hey guys. So, go ahead. Pick a stall, any stall. So, the what I clean them with is a little bit of castile soap. And you want to come in here? Oh, there you go. Castile soap with some coconut oil and some essential oils. I like to use either tea tree oil or cedarwood and a little bit of lemongrass. Sometimes I'll use the lemongrass here that I grow on the farm, that I make lemongrass tea, but I also have a lemongrass essential oil. So I mix those all together and I put it in gallon of water and I spray it on them. The coconut oil is really good for their coat. The cedarwood and the tea tree oil, whichever one you use, is really good for repelling any type of pests and insects. And of course, the castile is just a good plant-based cleanser. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna actually I'll leave the description below on how I make it, but we're gonna actually spray them tomorrow morning because I just thought it's raining now and I need them to dry, and I don't want to hand dry them. I prefer them to dry in the sun. So guys, you'll get your spray tomorrow. But you see here in their coats, I mean, we'll, I wish I can get one. And I just like them clean. Right, guys? Nice and clean. Oh, we got a few more here coming in. Huh? Yeah? Come on, babe. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, mommy. Oh, look at mommy. Huh? Huh? Come on, sweetie. How are you guys doing? Yeah? Whoa. Knocked me over. I don't know what Arsenio has. Does he have anything?
No, por ahí no hay nada. Ahí no hay nada. Vaya para allá. Vaya para allá. Vaya para allá.
This is the coconut oil with the cedarwood essential oil and a little castile soap and lemongrass essential oil. You can change the essential oils. It smells really good. Helps repel the insects from them. The coconut oil keeps their coat nice and shiny. And the castile is just a good natural-based, plant-based soap that's easy on them. So we're going to rub that in and rinse them with water. All natural-based. And they smell amazing.